Hi everyone, this is Crafty Decoria and I hope you're all doing great. So today I have a quick Dollar Tree haul to share with all of you. It's actually very early in the morning and I happened to wake up and I just couldn't get back to sleep. I had planned to film this in the morning, but since I'm up, I thought I'd go ahead and do it now. There's not a lot of exciting things in this haul, but I figured I'd take this moment to wish all of you who celebrate Christmas a Merry Christmas, and for those of you who don't, I hope you have a fabulous day. And as I said, there's not a whole lot exciting here, but I did need to go into the Dollar Tree yesterday and it was a madhouse. It was so busy. I think everybody was just going to pick up their last minute things. Mostly everyone had a couple of things, like a few cards or some gift bags, or the lines were going fairly quickly, but it was so busy, and by the time we ended up getting back home, I was so exhausted I couldn't keep my eyes open. Not just from Dollar Tree, but we went to a few different stores. And so I ended up falling asleep early, which is probably why I am up early. So I thought I would just go ahead and film this and get it done with so I can hurry up and edit it and then post it. And as I said, to wish all of you who celebrate a Merry Christmas, and for those of you who don't, just a really wonderful day. So here is an overview of the things that I did pick up. I will go through them one by one so that you can have a better look. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so I had my daughter with me, so of course she wanted to pick out a few little goodies. So she loves the covered bridge potato chips, and ketchup seems to be the most popular type of chip, and they usually sell out all the time. So they did have a few boxes of these yesterday, so we picked up a few for her. They are the home style ketchup kettle cooked dark russet potato chips, so she was happy to get those. She also picked up this Barbie candy cane, pink and white. And then I happened to see these were all the chocolates and candies were, so I wanted to give them a try. They are the Lugano Brazil Premium Milk Chocolate Truffles, and you get 4 in a package. They look so good. So I'm gonna give those a try. Next, I was over to the ribbon aisle, and I was looking specifically for red ribbon, and I waited a little bit too long. I should have picked it up earlier, so that is a note I will make to myself to look for it ahead of time. I just wanted some plain red ribbon, and the closest I could find was this wine ribbon, 9 feet, and it was weird because there was quite a few packages of these, or rolls of these, but there were only a few that looked a little bit more red and the other ones looked more purple. So I only picked up the 2 that looked a little bit more red. But I'll use these in a certain area of my home. But again, I do want to keep my eyes out for the more red colored ribbon, but I did find these 2 rolls that were the red and white buffalo check, so I went ahead and picked them up, and these are 9 feet as well. Then I came across this feather, and I picked it up with a particular DIY in mind for a friend who is doing a nursery in Peter Pan theme. So when I saw this, I thought I could do something really cute with this for her nursery. I always like to look at the new shampoos and conditioners that Dollar Tree brings in. So this was a new one that I hadn't seen before. Actually, this is a body wash. I thought it was a shampoo, but it was a body wash, and it looked really good. It says 99% natural origin, no SLS or parabens. It's called Faith in Nature, and I did get them both in lavender and geranium. There was another scent, but I didn't pick that one up. So it says cruelty-free, made in the UK, and vegan, and it's 400 milliliters. So I figure I'd give it a try. And the smell is really, really nice, very floral. So I thought I'd give those a try. Next up, I found some more fashion outfits for the Friends Forever, and I will say that my daughter plays with those quite a bit, and they are holding up excellent. I will always give a 5 out of 5 review for those dolls. They are made so well. They move really nicely, and they are really cute, and I really like too how you can change their not only their clothing but even their hair. You could change them around as well to change them up a little bit. So she really loves those dolls, and if you have not seen those, I'll post a link in the description box below of the Friends Forever dolls from Dollar Tree. So they did come out with some more fashion outfits. There were 6, I believe, I picked up. And they're really cute. I mean, the outfits look really nice, and then they come with accessories, shoes, and a handbag, and then this one has a necklace. This is another one. It says "Be Happy" on the shirt, and it comes with a backpack, a brush, and some sneakers. Then this one says "Hugs" in the Disney style font, which is really cute. Another backpack, sneakers, and another brush. I thought this one was really cute. Plaid top with a little t-shirt underneath. I don't know if that's all one piece, or it probably is, but yeah, I think it's all one piece. And then a white backpack, sneakers, and another brush. And this little outfit. Another purse, necklace, and little sneakers. And then the last outfit that I picked up was this plaid skirt with blue top, sun visor, purse, and little sneakers. So she was happy to see some more outfits that she can change her Friends Forever dolls into. And then I just picked up this Colorform brand of the Transformers. So Jumbo On The Go Adventure, Fold and Go 3 background scenes, the classic picture toy that sticks like magic. And the last items I have to show you are seasonal. So we're getting rid of a lot of things at Dollar Tree. Now this particular Dollar Tree that I go to, normally after Christmas, they put all of their winter Christmas items for 50% off. Not all the Dollar Trees that I've gone to do that. Last year I did find that there was another Dollar Tree that I went to that did the same, but the other ones still had them for regular price. But these were still regular price. But like I said, a lot of the stuff was going. And unusual this year, like I said, I've really been cutting back with Dollar Tree hauls and stuff. just because I have a lot from previous shopping trips that I want to kind of use up. So unless they are something that I need, then I mostly will just take a picture of it and then include it in a haul. But normally they would have Valentine's Day out by this time, and to be honest with you, other than regular decor that has love on it that's been out already, I didn't see anything new, which I thought was a little bit strange, because usually they always have, you know, the following holiday come out midway through Christmas, and I didn't see anything, so that was unusual. But truth be told, I kind of like that sometimes, because everything seems like it's always a rush to push the next thing out, and I can understand it with being a store, because you want to sell those items ahead of time so that you can decorate when the season is there, or when the season arrives you already have your things. But I just think that a lot of times, especially with being a DIYer, that you almost feel like you miss the actual season or holiday that you're in, because you're already thinking of the next one ahead. So sometimes I just like to stop and enjoy the moment that we're in, and then look at the things that are coming a little bit later on. But again, being a YouTuber that does DIYs, you need to get those things ahead of time and make the videos ahead of time. I truly do get that. It's just sometimes it just seems like it's a little too much. But so anyways, the whole point was I haven't seen anything for Valentine's Day at that particular Dollar Tree. But maybe at your Dollar Trees they have already started stocking for Valentine's Day. Mine, I'm pretty sure last year, I remember when I went on Boxing Day, that is when they had all their Valentine's and even some spring things out. So for the winter Christmas season, the last few things that I did pick up is this glitter sticker. You get 2. I did have an idea to do something with this, but I'll probably just leave it for next year. Unless I happen to just sit down and do a winter craft with me and I end up just filming myself making it, but I probably will hold off on this one. I picked up this holiday mug. I have a friend that loves, it's the same friend with the nursery, loves cardinals, and so it says it's the most wonderful time of the year, and it has a little cardinal there, and it's in green, which she loves green as well, so I just picked that up for her. I found these ornament fillers. Again, I had another idea to do something, a winter Christmas DIY, but I may just hold off on this for next year. I'm pretty sure I've seen these last year. They were out again this year. I'm pretty sure they'll probably have them again next year. And if they don't, they'll have something similar. So I may just hold off on this DIY as well. Maybe I might make one for myself, because I really had the idea to do this, and it might just be a craft that I do with my daughter. And if I like how it turns out, then I will share it for next year, or maybe even in July. So I did pick up 3 of those, and then I came across the Christmas bristle brush trees. That was a bit of a it was a bit of a tongue twister. Apparently I can't speak this morning, but all throughout December I was looking for these. I think I did see them once and I didn't pick them up at the time. Then when I went in again, they didn't have these ones anymore. They had the fabric trees, which I did get a few of those as well. I love them. but I didn't see these ones anymore. So it's funny how I went in yesterday and I happened to see 6, which is exactly what I needed. So I picked them up and brought them home with me. And I'm so happy to have these because I had a couple of spots that I wanted to put these, and now I'm going to be able to do that. So I did pick up 6 of them. So that was a really nice surprise and find for myself. And I like these ones because they are not just one solid tree. It has the what looks like layers in the tree, different sections. So I love these ones. And they have the little wooden stand at the bottom. And then the last thing I have to show you, which was another really nice find again, are these candles from Rose Collection. And I absolutely love these candles. This one here is frosted gingerbread. And they really have a nice throw on these candles as well. Love the gingerbread. I picked up cranberry chutney. Even the packaging of these candles is really nice. This one's nice as well. Then I have Frosted Wonderland. And then the last one that I picked up was Festive Pine. And that will do it for this pretty quick Dollar Tree. I hope that you guys found everything that you wanted at your Dollar Trees for this winter Christmas season. And I'll say it again for the 3rd time. For those of you who celebrate Christmas, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And for those of you who don't, I wish you a wonderful day to come and many, many more ahead. So if you enjoyed this quick Dollar Tree I was gonna say DIY. I need to go back and lay down for a little bit. If you enjoyed this Dollar Tree haul, please give the video a thumbs up. Share the video if you can. It will greatly help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd absolutely love and appreciate it if you did. As always, guys, you take care of yourselves, and I hope to catch you in the next video. Bye for now.